If you're seeing Steam error code 109, that usually points to a connection problem or a store failure, and the good news is that in most cases, it's caused by a simple network or DNS issue. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart Steam. Sometimes Steam just needs a fresh start to clear temporary connection glitches. Close Steam completely, not just the window. Make sure it's not still running in the system tray, and if needed, open Task Manager and end any Steam processes still active in the background. Once everything is closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen Steam and check if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If Steam error code 109 is still showing up, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Steam's connection to its servers, especially when trying to access the store or authenticate your session. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely. If you're using a proxy in your browser or system settings, disable that too. After that, restart Steam again and test the connection. A lot of users find that Steam works normally once the VPN or proxy is removed from the connection path. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes, changing your DNS servers. Since this error is often related to network resolution issues, switching to a more reliable DNS can help Steam connect properly. On Windows, open your network settings, go to your adapter properties and manually set your DNS to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. For Google, use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. For Cloudflare, use 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Save the changes, then reconnect your internet if needed and restart Steam once more. After changing the DNS, give Steam another try and check whether the store loads correctly or the error disappears. If the issue was caused by a bad DNS lookup or unstable network routing, this should fix it. If you're still having trouble, you can also restart your router after changing DNS, since that can help refresh your connection completely. So to quickly recap, if you get Steam error code 109, first restart Steam, then disable any VPN or proxy, and finally change your DNS to Google or Cloudflare servers. Those 3 steps solve the problem for most people and are the fastest way to get back into Steam. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.